Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Genshin Impact theme on your violin. First, ensure your violin is tuned to standard G-DAE. Next, find a comfortable posture, holding your violin securely with your chin rest and shoulder rest. We will begin by identifying the key signature and time signature of the main theme, which is typically in G major and 4/4 time. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience. To play the Genshin Impact theme effectively, focus on essential violin techniques. Practice smooth détaché bowing for distinct notes and legato for connected phrases. Ensure your left-hand fingers are curved and pressing firmly on the strings, just behind the frets, to produce clear tones. Use a mirror to check your posture and bow hold, aiming for a consistent bow angle of 90 degrees to the string. Consistent practice of these fundamentals will build a strong foundation. Now, let's break down the Genshin Impact theme into manageable sections. The main melody often starts on the open D string, moving through notes like A, B, and C sharp. Focus on playing the first 4 measures slowly, ensuring each note is in tune and has a full, clear sound. Pay close attention to the dotted 8th and 16th note rhythms that give the theme its characteristic feel. Gradually increase your tempo as accuracy improves. For refinement, integrate a metronome into your practice routine, starting at a slow tempo like 60 beats per minute and gradually increasing it. Record yourself playing the theme and listen back critically to identify any intonation or rhythmic inconsistencies. Aim for 3 to 4 practice sessions per week, each lasting 20 to 30 minutes, to build muscle memory and endurance. Consistent, mindful practice is key to mastering this beautiful theme on your violin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.